Yo guys, so Nike is doing something totally different, something off the wall. This is something we have not seen Nike really do that often. Like this is a whole new approach they're going with these releases, and we're talking about the Foamposite Galaxy joints, the grill that needs to come to the collection. I promise y'all, I don't care how much I gotta pay. I don't care if I have a retail or not. Them joints is coming to the collection. Of course, you guys know we gotta show these bees right here. So with all this being said, sit back, relax, and let's talk about this exclusive access that Nike's gonna be doing for the Galaxy Foamposite ones. Trust me, this is very interesting, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video, man. It's always greatly appreciate. You guys see me, I'm a little excited to come on here because I am very intrigued and interested in seeing how this exclusive access, how this release is gonna go for these Galaxy Foamposites. This is like the ultimate grill of mine. It's like those in the breads, they both up there. It's like 1 and 1, 1A, 1B is up there, bro. I need them to come to the collection. But if you guys are new here to the channel, right now we need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, and please run them likes up, especially if you didn't even hear nothing about this exclusive access for the Galaxy Foamposites, man. So we're all out the way. Let's go ahead and jump into the meat and potatoes on what Nike's doing and how they just changed the game, man. All right, guys, so first and foremost, we gotta talk about how we have not seen one shot drop yet all year from the Nike sneakers app. We ain't seen Nike do it. We ain't seen no talk about a shot drop. We heard rumors about shot drops for certain sneakers, more in particular the black metallic 5s. And you guys see, we ain't seen that at all. So maybe this is a new approach that they're gonna be doing, which leads us to and segues us to this Galaxy Foamposite exclusive access. They doing it very weird, and we're gonna have break down the details. I'm putting a screenshot up on the screen so you guys can see. You know, sometimes y'all say I talk too fast, so I'm trying to slow down a little bit and break down the full details. So pretty much after 2023, during 2023 and to this point, you have had to enter for 2 pair of Foamposite draws. And that had me thinking, I'm like, what draw has there been on the Nike sneakers app? Like, I really was over here thinking, like, what draw did they do? What sneaker did they, unveil to where they were doing a draw on the Nike sneakers app? So that had me thinking. And I want to ask you guys, if you can help me remember, what Foamposite was it a draw? I did remember copping the metallic red Foamposites. That was back in 2023, and then we also had the Penny Hardaway home pair, the white with the like kind of cream outsoles. I think that was a draw. I'm not too sure, but that's 2 pairs of Foamposites that me personally I did hit on the Nike sneakers app. But this had me thinking, like, yo, what other Foamposite to the capacity of a Galaxy did they do a draw on? Usually it's like a first come first serve Leo type of deal. Before these Galaxies, man, they doing something totally different. And this is something that we could potentially see happening here on out. We might see this for some of those big releases like the white cement 4s, like the Air Jordan 12 taxis, like the Air Jordan 11, Gamma Blues. We can see that for some of these huge releases, and Nike could be going away from this shock drop approach, which I don't know why they would want to go away from shock drops. It really does not make too much sense, but again, we are, creatures of habit. Like, we used to seeing shock drops, so we expect to see it from Nike. And this year they're cutting back on stocks, and we ain't seen not one shock drop yet. So it's just a couple of things that you gotta think about with these releases. But with this being a jam-packed month of sneakers, and we ain't seen one shock drop yet for the black metallics, for the bread ones, not even for the black toes. We just did a review on feet, so if you guys have not checked that out, man, make sure you check it out. But we ain't even seen nothing for the black toe ones. And then of course we do have the lucky short 3s, and then these Galaxy Foamposites. Like, what is going on, Nike? What's going on, Jordan Brand? What is going on in the community? Because, bro, it is a totally different landscape. Like, I don't even know what to come up here and talk about. Like, I'll give you guys the information as it comes. And again, with this exclusive access that they're going to be doing is totally different. And if you ain't been buying those Foamposites and your energy just switched up for this hype pair of Galaxies, you might be SOL when it comes to the exclusive access for these Galaxy Foamposites. So I'm pretty much reading it down one more time before I move on to the next portion of this video. But you guys should see it says Nike Sneakers app introduces the new exclusive access draw for the Galaxy Foamposite release. And to qualify, you must have entered at least, it's actually 3, not 2, 3 Foamposite sneaker draws since 2023. Only those invited can participate in the exclusive access draw. So man, it's looking real different. And something that kind of reminded me of was the exclusive access that they did for the Lost and Found Chicago's. You had to like enter for a couple different Air Jordan 1s within that last couple years, something like that. And those are the people that got the exclusive access, but still were people that didn't even enter for anything that still end up getting exclusive access. So make sure you guys are checking your phones, going to the desktop. That's the best place to check it, on your desktop, because you're gonna have like an exclusive access box hovering over it. You won't get that on your phone. So trust me, if you want to check to see if you got exclusive access, go onto your laptop, because this exclusive access is getting unveiled tomorrow. So we shall see what happens. And me currently, I ain't got it, but trust me, your boy Adventures is gonna get that pair in the collection under any means necessary. But I did want to show you guys my other pair of Galaxies. This is the 2.0s. Go ahead and check it out, man. I love these joints right here. I had to stop wearing them. Like, I was wearing them too much. I said, yo, I need to hold on, take a chill pill, because I've been rocking them too much. But something super dope about the 2.0s, it still came with the remove before flight tag that comes, you know, attached to the sneaker. And it just overall, bro, just a durable, clean, different sneaker, bro. Just, I love the Galaxies, and I'm telling you, bro, I don't care. I need the Galaxies. I need the original joints. If you guys think I'm a hype beast or something about foams, because, you know, usually I get called out for different things like that, go check my Foamposite collection video. I need to do an updated video probably pretty soon. I'll probably do it after I get these Galaxies into a full Galaxy or full Foamposite collection video. So, you know, I've been buying foams for the last 12 years, bro. Last 12 years. I think my first pair of foams was a New York Knicks Foamposites, and I remember spending like $250. I had like $10 left. This is back when I was like 17, 18 years old, and I was like, I want them shoes. I don't know why I fell in love with Foamposite, but hey, it is what it is. You learn, you live, you learn. But man, I've been a fan of the Foamposite for a very long time, man. But that pretty much wraps up today's video. Shows you guys some Galaxy 2.0s that I got. The 1.0s gotta come to the collection. You guys should see them soon. I'm just putting that energy out there. I will get a pair, you know what I'm saying, under any means necessary. That pair is coming to the collection. But again, let me know in the comment section if you have entered in any of the past 3 Foamposite draws on Nike sneakers. I don't even know what that may look like, because I don't remember any draws for Foamposite. But if you guys did enter, please let me know, and let me know if you did get exclusive access for these Galaxy Foamposites that is urgently needed into the collection, man. But I appreciate all the support. Thank you guys so much for tapping in. Sub up, run the likes up, comment down below. Let's see what's going on, how y'all feeling about this new thing from Nike, because it's different. I would have just much rather seen a shop drop. Hey, but I'm just a little old Adventures, man. I love y'all. Thanks for tapping in. And I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.